Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oxygen generator. We'll begin by understanding the core principles of how oxygen is separated from ambient air using a process called pressure swing adsorption. Then, we'll identify all the essential components you'll need, from an air compressor to specialized molecular sieves. Finally, we'll discuss critical safety measures to ensure a secure and successful build. The core of an oxygen generator is the pressure swing adsorption, or PSA, process. This method uses specialized materials, typically zeolite molecular sieves, to selectively absorb nitrogen from the air under pressure. You'll need an air compressor to supply the air, 2 sieve beds filled with zeolite, and a series of solenoid valves to direct the airflow between them, allowing for continuous oxygen production. Now, let's assemble the generator. First, connect your air compressor to the inlet of the first sieve bed. Next, carefully install the solenoid valves, ensuring they are wired correctly to cycle the air between the 2 beds. It is crucial to make all connections completely airtight to maintain efficiency. Finally, integrate an oxygen sensor to monitor purity and add a small reservoir tank to store the generated oxygen. When operating your oxygen generator, always ensure it is in a well-ventilated area, away from any enclosed spaces. Continuously monitor the oxygen purity using a calibrated sensor to ensure it meets your requirements. Regularly inspect all hoses, fittings, and electrical connections for any signs of wear or damage. Most importantly, never use or store pure oxygen near open flames, sparks, or any high heat sources, as it significantly increases fire risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.